Meaning of halfway house.
Halfway house.
Halfway house.
Halfway house.
Halfway house. A halfway house is a transitional living facility that provides support and resources to individuals who are working towards reintegrating into society after being released from a correctional facility or drug rehabilitation center. These facilities offer a structured environment for clients to work on acquiring the necessary skills and resources they need to successfully transition back into the community. Many halfway houses offer counseling services, job training and assistance with finding employment, and substance abuse treatment. The ultimate goal of a halfway house is to provide a safe and supportive environment for individuals to regain their independence and become productive members of society.